West Virginia has had 30 additional people die from COVID-19. The state's total death count now stands at 2,600.
But there is a problem. Once again, some of those victims were miscounted in the initial reports. 13 News chief political reporter Mark Curtis has more.
I am really upset.
A visibly angry Governor Jim Justice announced today that another 20 people died of COVID-19 in West Virginia, but their deaths were not properly reported to or by the state. That now brings the total number of miscounted deaths to 185. The first group of miscounted deaths last week prompted an inquiry. This time, the governor has ordered a formal investigation and says there could be disciplinary action for some.
If it's in my house, the DHHR, it will not be a good day. If it's with our nursing homes and our hospitals or wherever it may be, we got to do better.
Hospital officials blame the miscounts on paperwork errors and that filling out death certificates is time-consuming for their staffs. Meanwhile, there was a bit of good news today. More than 38,000 school employees in the state have now been fully vaccinated.
And that means everybody who was asked, if you're a teacher, a service personnel, a substitute teacher, a coach in the public schools, in the private schools, if you asked and wanted a vaccine, we got it to you.
This comes the same day the CDC changed its school guidelines to require desks be just 3 feet apart rather than the initial 6 feet. Governor Justice also announced today there will be a tax break for the unemployed. They will not have to pay any state income tax on the first $10,200 of their unemployment benefits. In Charleston, I'm Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
And this Sunday on Inside West Virginia Politics, Jim Kaufman, the president of the West Virginia Hospital Association, will be among our guests. We will be talking about the misreporting of the COVID-19 deaths. The program airs at 11:30 Saturday and Sunday mornings right here on 13 News.